Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I would like to show you how to pin messages in Telegram. Alright, let's get to it. First of all, open your Telegram app on your phone. And then after you have opened your Telegram app, you can choose the messages that you want to pin. You can scroll down your screen like this to choose the messages. And after you choose your message, you can click and hold on the message like this. Don't forget to click and hold, alright? And then after that, you can choose this icon to pin the messages. Alright guys, and after you pin the message, that message will be shown up on the top of your screen. Alright, that's how we can pin the messages in Telegram. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!